Aloha and welcome to Secondary Methods 3. My name is Katrina Rossler. I am the faculty member in charge of this course, and I wanted to say aloha and welcome. A little bit about the course. This is developed as a capstone course where each of you is provided with the opportunity to implement your skills at planning for learning. The first half of the course provides you a guided approach to long-term planning via the backward design or understanding by design process, and the second half is more about you implementing the practices that you've gained during your Chaminade University journey. It's meant to be an opportunity for you to be creative and develop engaging long-range learning opportunities for you and your students. You're going to be provided with a lot of flexibility in this course, so therefore you're going to get out of it what you put into it. In order to navigate through this course, the course is divided into modules that are 1 to multiple weeks long. So in order to see what is coming up, you need to make sure that you navigate through the modules. There's not necessarily an assignment each week, so please be mindful that if you have multiple weeks to complete something, then waiting until the day that it's due and expecting to put out quality work is probably not going to be the best approach. Here's the course syllabus. It is a Google Doc that you have access to through the Google Drive. There is a required text for this course, so please make sure that if you haven't already purchased it, that you go ahead and get a copy of the Wiggins and McTighe Understanding by Design 2nd edition text, because you will be reading chapters in that text each week, or most weeks, not each week. In order to see how the assignments are kind of broken down by week or by module, you notice the assignments are broken up into reading and then activities or assignments that you need to complete that are associated with those readings. I think that's about it. I look forward to working with you. If you need to communicate with me, email is typically the best. I don't typically pick up phone numbers that I don't know unless I'm in my office, so email me first, and if you need to have some sort of one-on-one voice communication, we can set up an appointment. I look forward to working with you. Aloha.